Welcome to Zebo Academy, a place where math meets data science. Unlock the power of numbers, logic, data, and code all in one place.
Hello math lovers, let's get back to basics but with a twist. Today we are mastering how to substitute values into functions quickly and accurately. So substitution is just plugging numbers into the function and you find the outputs. But remember, a function f of x is a relation between a set of inputs having one output each. In simple terms, a function from set x to a set y assigns each element of x exactly one element of y. So in this video we have been given this function and we need to find the functional values of that function. First of all, we are going to find the functional value at 4. So we are going to substitute 4 into our function, which is 3 minus 5 into 4 minus 2 into 4 squared, which is the same as 3 minus 20 minus 2 times 16 is 32, which is the same as negative 49. Then our next question is f of 0. So we are going to do the same. Shall plug in 0 into our function and it will be 3 minus 5 into 0 minus 2 into 0 squared, which is the same as 3 minus 0 minus 0, which is equal to 3. Then our third problem was f of negative 3. So here we shall still plug in negative 3 into our function, which is going to become 3 minus 5 into negative 3 minus 2 into negative 3 squared. So this is the same as 3 minus negative 15 minus 2 times negative 3 squared is 9. So this is the same as 3 plus 15 minus 18. This will give us 0. So math lovers, if you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe and like the video. I'm going to leave for you a question to try out. So you're going to try out 1 f of 6 minus t and 2 f of 7 minus 4x. With the knowledge you've obtained from the above question, you can still proceed with this and drop your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.